Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Windows Media Player and loading the video you want to rotate. Once done, make sure you have a backup copy of the original file so you can revert if needed. You'll inspect the playback interface to see available menus and right-click options. This matters because Windows Media Player lacks a built-in rotate tool, so identifying menu access points prepares you for using an external plugin or exporting method that integrates with the player. You now decide between adding a plugin that enables rotation inside the player or exporting the video to a short conversion/editing workflow. If you choose a plugin or codec, install it and restart the player so new options appear under View or right-click menus. Alternatively, open the file in a converter/editor, set rotation to 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or a custom angle, and choose output format compatible with Windows Media Player. Make sure to keep resolution and aspect ratio consistent to avoid stretching. You finish by exporting or saving the rotated file and replacing only a copy, preserving your original. Then open the new file in Windows Media Player to confirm proper orientation and smooth playback. This step verifies codec compatibility and correct rotation. If the video doesn't play or shows artifacts, try an alternate codec pack or re-export using a different container like MP4 or WMV with the same rotation settings. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.